Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk to you about API integrations. Now what APIs allow you to do is take different tools and services and bring them together to work for your organisation in their own specific way. Now let me give you an example. Let's say your website is here. This is your website. It's a WordPress website, fairly standard, nothing too special. You may also have a database, a CRM. Now these two systems are completely separate. This one might be Salesforce or Razor's Edge or something like that, and this is your WordPress website. When somebody comes along to your website and they subscribe to your newsletter, how does that information go from your website into your CRM so you can follow up with them? It happens via an API integration. So here's a little person, comes to your website, puts their details in, and then they go into your CRM database. Now that is a very basic API integration. And one of the challenges that we have in this industry as website developers, as people who own websites, is how many integrations do you need? How deep do they need to go? And what kind of software do you need to talk to one another? So I'll give you another example. Let's say you also do a bit of recruitment as well online. So you have a job board. So recruiting software. Again, this is a separate piece of software. Now, this is quite robust, quite comprehensive. It allows you to list job listings with lots of different bits of information in there. Your website doesn't allow that because your website's really simple. But you might want those jobs to be listed on your website. So again, you would use an API. So the information that you put into the job board software would go and be published automatically on your website via an API integration. And you might say, okay, so now the jobs are appearing on the website, how can we enable people to actually apply for those jobs via our website? Well, that would also be via an API integration that goes the other way. So the jobs can be published on your website and the applications can be made through your website, and that will go into the job board software. You might say after this, well, why have we got these two systems separate? You know, we've got records of people here, we've got records of people there. It would be handy if we could kind of link those two systems to deduplicate different records and match them in different ways and pull reports on them and that kind of things. So again, you may send the data from your job board software into your CRM. And you can kind of see what I'm demonstrating here. All of these different pieces of software that work fantastically in their own right open up their information to talk to one another to build a more robust and comprehensive system for your organisation.